Tennis coach Judy Murray has been instrumental in developing British number ones, including her sons, Jamie and Andy Murray.
My kids, they reckon that I'm the worst cook in the world, so I'm actually out to prove them wrong.
Judy, why are you here?
My kids are always blaming me for bringing them up on tins and ready-made meals, so I'm figuring it's time to redress the balance and start learning how to cook properly.
What are you making for us now? A pudding?
Yeah, an apple and raspberry crumble, and it's in the oven already. It's very simple, very straightforward.
Do the boys know you're here?
They do, and they both more or less said the same kind of thing, which was, oh my God, you'll be rubbish.
Great to get support from the family, right?
Absolutely.
Judy's got a crumble in the oven. Not a huge amount being done by Judy. However, if it tastes good, that's wonderful.
Internet star Riyadh Khalaf kick-started his career with a YouTube channel that amassed 30 million views and now has his own BBC podcast.
When I was 15 years old in home economics class in school, I served a chicken Kiev medium rare. Didn't do very well. So this is about redemption. I'm going to, get my good name back.
Riyadh, how good a cook are you?
I'm better than my fella. He'll hate me for saying that, but I am.
What are you making for us now?
OK, so this is hake on a celeriac mash, a pickled red onion and fennel salad, and crispy capers.
Wow.
He's doing a celeriac puree, which he's got flavoured with turmeric. That's wonderful. Hake cooks really nicely, so it doesn't go like cotton wool, is a big skill. Riyadh obviously has a decent repertoire.
Are we doing for time?
You've got just 2 minutes, please.
It's meant to look like that. It's meant to look like that.
You have 60 seconds. Final touches, please. That's it. Your time's up. Stop.
I was going for the presentation.
What a nightmare.
Riyadh, come and join us, please.
Broadcaster and internet star Riyadh has cooked pan-fried hake topped with fennel, pickled red onion, crispy capers and pine nuts on celeriac mash.
I think you really thought about the presentation. I think it looks great.
Oh, thank you.
Your touch with that fish is superb. That is just flaking and falling apart. Your celeriac is really earthy. Love the crunch of the vegetables on top. Believe me when I say that is a really fantastic dish and one of the best starts I've seen on Celebrity MasterChef.
Really?
That is fabulous.
Thank you, Greg. Wow. Thank you very much. Are you going to be as nice?
I concur.
Wow.
I am really, really impressed. Your hake is beautifully cooked. Across the top, finely shaved fennel and red onion, slightly pickled, not too sharp. It's a great balance. That is absolutely fantastic.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, how do you feel?
I'm over the moon. I need a large glass of Sauvignon Blanc and a cry. I'm in shock. I'm absolutely in shock.
Well done.
I'm kind of also afraid that now I've set myself up for a fall.
How you feeling? You're shaking.
He said it was like the best first. That's unbelievable. So everything now has to be better than that, and that was kind of the best I could do.